Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andreea. I'm a professional makeup artist based in Paris. If you're new in here, welcome. Today's video is going to be all about tinted moisturizers. If there's any product that I love to apply, especially now that the weather got warmer, that I'm a lot more outside, that is tinted moisturizer. If you have never tried this product before, I strongly recommend it, especially if you like a very lightweight feeling on your skin. Obviously, not all tinted moisturizers are good. I have tried some that were just not my vibe at all, but today's video is going to be about my absolute favorite products that I've been testing a lot and that I absolutely love. So let's get into it. Let's start with the NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturizer, only because this is what I have on my skin right now. Maybe you could get closer so I could brag. Yeah, this is my skin right now. Now, all the products that I'm going to talk about, they do have SPF in them. They're not SPF products with a tint. They are tinted moisturizers that happen to have some extra SPF protection. Probably this one is going to be the most versatile out of everything that I'm going to talk about, just because I find that the colors available are so good. This has really good ingredients. It's enriched with vitamin C, which you know it's a great antioxidant for your skin. It just goes on so beautiful on the skin. You could apply it with your fingers or with the brush. I would say if you are combination or oily skin, don't skip your skincare routine entirely, but use less product if you're going to use this or any of the products that I'm going to talk about. Because like the name says, tinted moisturizer, they already have built a lot of moisturizing ingredients in them. Just use less skincare with these products in general. This is also great because it has SPF 30, so it's not like you're using this as the only SPF product on your skin. It's just an added protection to your skin. When I do makeup for the videos, it's like one thing. And then when I do makeup for running errands or just to meet friends, that's just a completely different story for me. That's when I would use a tinted moisturizer, not when I'm taking pictures or when I film videos. Because I'm surrounded with lights, sometimes tinted moisturizers don't really look amazing when you're surrounded by lights. You guys know in here, I normally use foundation. But for everyday use, going to work, running errands, being on vacation, I don't care, just anything that does not involve professional pictures or video, then I would totally recommend this and all the products that I'm going to talk about. But this really has my heart, also because it's this color Saint Moritz. It's like a perfect color for me right now. The next one is going to be the Chantecaille Just Skin. I bought this product after the brand sent me a couple of colors, but they were not my perfect match. But I loved the texture. I loved how after you apply it, it just sets on your skin. So I went and bought it from, in here you can find it in Paris at Le Bon Marché. It's quite pricey. I think I paid 74 euros for this, but I do not regret a second because it's really beautiful. It lasts all day long. The moment you apply it, you can feel sort of a richness to it. It has a very beautiful, very soothing kind of formula. It blurs the imperfections, but it does not cover too much. Maybe if you have a little bit of redness, it will cover that, but it will definitely not cover if you have freckles or if you have melasma. This is just a tinted moisturizer. Again, when using this, I use less skincare. I don't skip entirely my skincare routine, but I just use a lot less product. Else, I find that it does not stay as long as it could, because normally when I apply this and I use less skincare, you guys, I could have this all day long. It lasts so well. So it's not the type of product that would stay sort of dewy and moist on the skin. When if you touch it, you can feel that moisture. It really dries and it lasts. If I have any downside about this product would be the colors available. They only have a few colors available, like 6, 7 colors available, which is a pity because it's a great tinted moisturizer. My color is wheat. The next one is going to be the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I was already a huge fan of the Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer, the old version, but this version is just improved and it has no silicones. It's non-comedogenic and it's more appropriate for people who have dry or normal and combination skin too, but I would not use it for oily skin because it has that very creamy, very dewy finish. So again, use less skincare with this product, but it's just so beautiful. It's probably the only product in out of everything that I'm going to talk about that really has that, like, when you apply it on the skin, even like on your hand, you will see it. Try it in a store if you can. You will see it has a very beautiful satin finish and reflects the light. As soon as you apply it, it feels like it's your skin. It's really undetectable on the skin, feels like nothing, but it has that really nice glow. Obviously, it will not cover too much. I would say out of all three of them that I've talked about, NARS has the most coverage out of these. This would come second, and then Laura Mercier would come third. So it does not have a lot of coverage, but evens out the skin so beautifully. Now the fourth product is really not a tinted moisturizer. It's like a color correcting cream, and that is the It Cosmetics CC+. Years ago, I would wear this product a lot. It Cosmetics, it's available only like in one place that I don't really go buy products, and I kind of forgot about it. Recently, I rediscovered this. I cannot talk highly enough about this product. It's so good. It has crazy coverage for, you know, a color correcting product. This is the type of product you would want to wear if you have melasma, if you have rosacea, if you have any problems of the skin. It has such great ingredients for the skin, and I love everything about it. I love the packaging. I love the fact that you could see the color. I love that it has SPF 50. You guys, SPF 50. They have amazing colors available. I wish this was available in, you know, more places than just Nocibé. This is the only place where you could find it in France. If you're looking for a product that has amazing ingredients for your skin, that has SPF, it has great coverage, then try the CC Plus from It Cosmetics. You're gonna love it. Not to mention that this product lasts really well in heat. Like I said, if you have rosacea, it lasts really well. People who don't know, when you have rosacea, the skin is also like super warm, so it kind of dissolves everything you put on. That's why people who have rosacea, they have a hard time finding products for themselves. This is top. Touche Eclat all-in-one glow foundation. Okay, this one is foundation, but can I just not agree with the brand when they call this a foundation? This does not feel like a foundation at all. This feels like a tinted moisturizer. I said what I said. I love this product so much. It has the perfect amount of coverage, but it's so thin. Like their texture, the way it feels on the skin, it's like you have nothing. I just wish it was available in, you know, more colors. This is honestly, the color B30 used to be like my perfect shade, but now that I got tan, B30 is not my color. And then the next color that I've tried after B30, it was just reddish and it was just not the same. This is really awesome. Just wish that there were more colors available for this. All right, guys, these were my absolute favorite tinted moisturizers. All the products that I've mentioned you find in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.